I start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Asghar Chatoi. My roll number is 011 from the Department of BS English 2K20 Section A. My topic of presentation is process of accommodation and social interaction. Accommodation is a process which refers the social process whereby the competing or conflicting individuals or groups trace out difficulties in order to minimize or stop the conflict. Accommodation एक सोशल प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जो ग्रुपों में होता है या इंडिविजुअल्स के बीच में होता है उसको स्टॉप कर देना होता है. ये प्रोसेस होता है सोशल प्रोसेस. Characteristics of accommodation. First, accommodation is a natural result of conflict. मीन्स ये जो थे नतीजा होता है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का. accommodation is mainly unconscious activity. accommodation is universal and continuous process. accommodation is mixture of both love and hatred. ये accommodation process जो है ये mixture होता है love and hatred का. Types of accommodation: domination, true or pact, compromise, mediation, conciliation, arbitration, and toleration. Domination is a process that involves a dominant subordinate relationship where the strong party imposes its will upon the weaker. It involves power relation. True or pact. It is an agreement to cease hostilities or fighting for a certain period of time. Examples: peace and negotiations. Compromise. It is a process of settling differences where opposing parties withdraw their relationship. It involves a give and take relationship. The mutual giving of concessions means composition में क्या होता है mutual giving of concessions होती है. And mediation is a form of settling disputes where a neutral third party enters and gives a suggestion or a recommendation to warring nations or parties to stop their hostilities. Conciliation. It is an accommodative process where the third or neutral party can be anybody to settle disputes and who may or may not give recommendation to settle the conflict. Arbitration. It is an accommodative social process where the neutral third party has a legal authority to decide on the conflict. The decision is followed by opposing parties. For examples of the third parties are judge and labor architecture. Means tolerations means बर्दाश्त करना. It is a form of accommodation without formal agreement. It is a result of live and let live means जियो और जीने दो वाली सिचुएशन यहाँ पे होती है टोलरेशन में. Thank you very much, so much. Thank you very much for listening me.